Hi all, welcome to Salesforce in 5 minutes. In this video, we are going to understand how to create an record of a Salesforce object using Apex. But before getting started, if you feel these videos are helpful, I request you to please subscribe to this channel. So let's say I want to create an account record. So for an example, if I had to create if I had to create an account record, I just go and click on new button, right? And you will fill up all the details, for example test new whatever it is, and let's click on save. So yes, this is how you can create a normal account record, but normally, okay, this is just normally. What if I want to create it programmatically? What if I want to create the account record but using Apex? And we have to do it usually because let's say if I want an account is created, a contact should also be created. In that cases, you have to write some kind of code or some kind of logic so that when an account is created, contact must automatically also create. So in that cases, you have to create an record but using Apex. But in this video, we are going to mainly focus on how to just simply create an account record using Apex. To do that, first I'm going to create a simple function. Let's name it as public void create record, right? And this is the function which will be responsible specifically to create an account record. Next, in order to create an account record, first I have to create an instance, a small copy of the account object, so that I can use that small copy and create an account record. So to create a small instance of that particular account object, you just go account acc equals to new account. So what basically I've done over here is I have created a small instance of account object. Okay, the small instance means small copy of an account object. Okay, so this is just a small copy. Now, in order to create an account record, first I need to populate the values of the field, right? I do not put the value inside the object, but I put the values inside the fields and then click on save button, right? I Usually what I do is, if I want to create a record, what I do is I put the values inside field and then click on save, right? So basically I need to populate some fields in order to create a record. Now if you check it out, account name is a required field. So no matter what, if I'm going to create an account record from Apex or anywhere, from Flow or anywhere, I have to populate the account name because this is a required field. Unless and until we do not populate this field, the account record won't be created. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to populate the name field. So to refer to that name field of this object, acc dot name equals to, let's name it as created from the Apex, let's say 6th March, right? So what I've done is I've created a small instance, and out of the small instance, if I want to insert a record, I need to first populate the field. So this is where I'm populating the field, right? I'm populating the field that is name, which is a required field to create an account. So I'm populating the field, and once everything is done, my all the values of this field are populated, you just insert. That's it. This is how you can create an account using Apex. So I'll just run this code quickly to show you whether it is created or not. Let's go to the account tab, and you can see my new account is at the top, and instead of this I'm going to run this particular method. So now if I refresh this, yeah, created from Apex 6 March. So this is how you can simply create an record of an account but using Apex. All I did was I created an instance, I populated the value or the field of the instance, and I just inserted it. Insert statement is used to actually insert the record inside the database. Till this point, you're just populating the field, or you're populating the fields of the, like for an example, if I click on new, till this two statements 77 and 78, I'm just adding the values to these fields. So I have populated test, something like that. The functionality of save, but as soon as you click on save, the same kind of functionality is replicated using insert. So insert is actually inserting your account record. So this is how you insert an record or of any object using Apex. If you found this video helpful, I request you to please like this video and subscribe to this channel.